Good morning. Yes, as she was just saying, it doesn't look like there's any dry spell of weather on the way over the next few days, and I know that's not good news if you are trying to make the hay. In fact, it does look like it's going to stay pretty unsettled. We're looking out to the west at the moment at this area of cloud. That's our next weather system, and low pressure really is going to stick around towards the northwest of the United Kingdom over the next few days. That one just slowly slips away in the middle of the week, and then we start to see another one coming up from the southwest for the second half of the week. So one way or another, there is more rain to come. And it's not going to be particularly warm either. Temperatures will be close to, perhaps just about up to average for the time of year. Average temperatures for the second week of July peak at around about 21 or 22 degrees. So this is the summary really for the rest of the week. More rain to come. Yes, staying unsettled. There'll be showers or longer spells of wet weather. It's often going to be quite windy, and those temperatures won't be particularly brilliant. So for the time being, well, there's a lot of cloud across England and Wales. We've got a few sunny breaks, though, across Scotland and Northern Ireland. Just a few showers here, one or two showers developing during the afternoon. But on the whole, there'll be a good deal of dry weather, a little bit of hazy sunshine coming through, and hopefully we will eventually lose the drizzly weather down towards the southeast. Temperature-wise, about average, 20 or 21 degrees Celsius across England and Wales, just 15 or 16, maybe 17 for Scotland and Northern Ireland. Now this evening, although many places will be dry, a little bit of hazy sun coming through, the cloud will thicken up from the west. That's going to bring rain to Northern Ireland, eventually to western Scotland, and it's also going to turn damp and drizzly, misty and murky towards the southwest. Now as the rain arrives, the wind will freshen, and that freshening southerly wind, along with the rain, will slip towards the east as the night goes on. Now I don't think the rain will arrive in the southeast, however, we could well see some drizzle here, and it is going to be a very muggy night here. Temperatures no lower than 13 or 14 degrees Celsius, a little bit fresher towards the northwest at about 9 or 10. So we start tomorrow on a pretty wet note across many areas. Not very pleasant conditions for driving. There'll be fog over the hilltops, but already there'll be some brighter weather for Northern Ireland. That brighter weather pushing to many areas as the day wears on. Just one or two showers scattered around, but we'll see that rain arriving eventually across more southeastern parts. Temperature-wise tomorrow, about 17 degrees for northern areas, 19 or 20 for the south. Then on Tuesday, well, it looks like we could still have that weather front plaguing southeastern areas, so it could stay quite cloudy here with rain on and off through the day. But for many, we're looking at a day of sunny spells and scattered showers. Now, in between the showers, there will be some bright, some dry weather, and if you can get into the sunshine, 19 degrees shouldn't feel too bad. Now on Wednesday, that rain in the southeast should be well out of the way, and we're looking at a day of sunny spells, a scattering of showers. Some of those showers could well turn out to be heavy, the odd rumble of thunder, and temperatures on Wednesday will reach 16 to 21 degrees Celsius. And then on Thursday, well, we watch another area of low pressure coming in. That will bring some cloud and rain in towards the southwest during the afternoon, but elsewhere it looks like it's going to be another day of sunny spells, just a scattering of showers here and there, and again some long dry interludes in between those showers, allowing temperatures to reach between 18 and 21. So as that rain arrives in the southwest, it's going to move towards the north and east on Friday, so it looks like we're going to end the week on a very similar note to the one we're going to start it on. Yes, that means it's going to be wet at times. And just to finish with, well, I'm going to leave you with the all-important Wimbledon forecast this afternoon. It should be dry, we should see a little bit of sunshine, and temperatures will reach